today I'm making a zucchini bread, and it's another one of my fast and easy budget friendly recipes. And I'm using the zucchini out of my garden, and so I'm going to chop up about 2 cups of zucchini to go in my recipe. So I'll be back when I get that done. Let me get started on chopping up this zucchini. That's a hard word to say. You say it, Calvin. Okay, let me get started on this. Really fast, and it worked just great even though I didn't have my grater. Let me finish chopping these up and I'll be back. Okay, I already have my zucchini chopped up, and this is 2 cups of it. And so now then I'm going to start on my recipe. I'm using Betty Crocker spice cake mix. So add in my cake mix, and now I'm going to be adding a cup of water, a half a cup of oil, and I'm going to be adding in 3 eggs, and a half a cup of pecans. And I'm going to just mix this up just a little bit before I add in my zucchini. That spice cake mix smells good. I smell all of the spices in it. This is really a faster way of making zucchini bread. You don't have to measure out all those spices. Okay, now then I'm going to put in my, I think I'm going to beat this first, and then I'm going to add my zucchini. Now then I'm going to be adding my 2 cups of zucchini in. And what I did was I put this in a cheesecloth, and I squeezed out the juice out of the zucchini until it's practically dry. You don't want any water in it. So some of this in here. Okay, I'm going to use my mixer again. I knew I should have put on my apron. Okay. the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this off of me. And remember to wear an apron next time. Okay, now then I'm going to put my batter in my pans. Thinking that I might just use this right here, it'll work. And I'm going to be cooking this bread at 350 for about 50 to 60 minutes. And I did spray my pans, and I put my flour in, and I also put a little bit of parchment paper on the bottom of my pans for extra security. I think if I do it this way, then it'll be more even. I could just pour this in, but I don't trust my measurements. I know what Mr. Calvin would do. He would just pour this right in. Okay, there it is, and then I'll be back in about 50 to 60 minutes. And like I said, this will be cooking at 350 degrees. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my zucchini cooked about 55 minutes, and so now I'm going to turn it out of the pan, hopefully. Okay. So here is my zucchini loaf. That's one of them. So now I'm going to put my other one out. Let's see. Look at this. If you wanted to make a bigger one instead of two smaller ones, you could turn it out that way also. So, there we go. Okay. Okay. Now then, my zucchini loaves are cool, and so now I'm going to ice them. And boy, do they smell good. I think I'm going to give one of these to my neighbor.
Or we're going to have the other one for July the 4th.
Yeah.
Or can we go ahead and eat it before July the 4th?
If you really want to, you can. Okay. There is my easy, budget-friendly zucchini bread. Okay, I'm back and I have my zucchini bread iced. And the way I made my icing was I just put a little powdered sugar in a bowl and put just a little bit of milk and a little bit of vanilla flavoring in it and just a couple of drops of water and stirred it till I got the consistency that I wanted. And then I put it over my zucchini bread. So now I'm going to give it a little taste test. I've done cut Calvin off a piece. And so now I'm going to taste it. It's very good. And Calvin, how did you like yours?
It was very good. I really enjoyed it, Marie. Thanks.
And this is what you can do with your zucchini that's coming in from your garden. You can make you some fast and easy, budget-friendly zucchini bread. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye, and have a great 4th of July. Bye.